Hi friends, welcome to CR Digital Classes. Today we are going to understand about BEP analysis with the help of a problem. Earlier we also done a problem where we understood how to calculate BEP, how to calculate profit and fixed cost. Here in this video we are going to understand when the changes are there in the variable cost, when the changes are there in fixed cost, how to calculate BEP. So from the given data we will try to determine what is the BEP if there is a change in selling price, if there is a change in fixed cost, and if there is a change in other selling price. Okay, so the given data is sales is 2 lakhs rupees, variable cost is 1,20,000, then fixed cost is 30,000. First of all, let us calculate actually what is the BEP. So BEP sales is equal to contribution, fixed cost by contribution into sales. So here contribution, we already know contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. So the data in the given data, what is the fixed cost is 30,000. So contribution is equal to 2 lakhs minus variable cost is 1,20,000, which is equal to 80,000. So contribution is equal to 80,000 into sales is 2 lakhs. So if I calculate this, it is coming around 30,000 divided by 80,000. That is 0.75,000. So actual BEP sales is 75,000. Now first question they are asking is if the selling price is reduced to 10%. So if first point, if selling price reduced to 10%, that is 2 lakhs at the rate of 10% is 20,000. So sales will be 1,80,000. So when the sales are 1,80,000, we have to find out BEP. What is BEP again? So BEP is equal to fixed cost. Fixed cost is 30,000. Then contribution will change here. Contribution is equal to 2 lakhs minus 1,80,000 minus variable cost is 1,20,000, which is equal to 60,000. So it is 60,000. Contribution is 60,000 into 1,80,000, which is equal to 30,000 divided by 60,000 is equal to 0.5 into 1,80,000, which is equal to 90,000. So BEP sales, if the selling price is reduced to 10%, it is 90,000. Then the third case is asking, that is second one, when the variable cost is increased to 10%. So here variable cost is 1,20,000. So if it is increased by 10%, that is 12,000. BC is equal to 1,20,000. If it is increased, that is at the rate of 10%, If it is increased, it is 12,000. So VC is equal to 1,32,000. Then contribution will be 2 lakhs minus 1,32,000, which is equal to 68,000. So BEP is equal to fixed cost is 30,000 divided by contribution is 68,000 into our sales is 2 lakhs, which is equal to 30,000 divided by 68,000, 0.44 into 2 lakhs. 88,235. So this is our BEP if variable cost is increased by 10%. Then third case is asking what is the BEP if fixed cost is increased by 10%. So fixed cost 30,000. So fixed cost if it is increased by 10%, that is at the rate of 10%, if we add 3,000, it becomes 33,000. Then BEP is equal to 33,000 divided by contribution is 2 lakhs minus 1,20,000, it is 80,000 into sales is 2 lakhs, which is equal to 33,000 divided by 80,000, 0.41 into 2 lakhs. It is 82,500. So rupees 82,500. So here we have seen three instances. One is that is if the selling price is decreased to 10%, our amount is 90,000, BEP is 90,000. If the variable cost is increased to 10%, our BEP is 88,235, and if the fixed cost is increased by 10%, it is 82,500. So this is how we should calculate the BEP under different projections. Maybe sometimes it increases, sometimes it decreases. Hope you understood the BEP calculations with the variations of in the selling price or variable cost or fixed cost. I think this video will help you for the preparation of examination. Thank you very much. All the best.